good, June Squad? It's your boy June. Guys, I'm at Sebastian Inlet right now, and it's so beautiful out here. But today's video is sponsored by the Ridge Wallet, and also I'm doing this video in 360, guys. I got a 360. I'm about to use it as much as possible, so I decided, hey, why not make a video right now, you know? Walk around, show you guys different areas and see how you guys like the 360. If you guys love it, if you guys don't love it, comment below, let me know what's up. But we're gonna go ahead and walk over here to the fishing pier to show you guys the fishing pier area of Sebastian Inlet. Let's go. You guys see, this is actually Sebastian Bridge right here. The inlet is over that way. Well, that actually is the inlet right there, but I'm saying, what I meant to say was the monster hole. Doing a lot of fishing out here. This is one of the best spots to fish. How you doing? Any luck? No. Well, I hope you catch something. All right, so we got to get around this little lift here. That guy looked very confused when he saw my camera. So, as you guys know, we're in the state park, in the sanctuary. What is going on over there? I don't think he's supposed to be doing that. It looks like he's stuck. I heard that. Super nice out here. They're all looking inviting. Ooh, look at the wave. Got me. Any luck? No luck? No. You got wet, huh? Water cold? I mean, I know it's cold. Let's get out of here before we get splashed on. Okay. Oh. Good luck. Wow, look at that. Oh, the waves are off the chain right now. Wow. Wow. Got me. Alright. I need to get down from over here before I get soaked even more. That's cool. That is real cool. These guys are still over there. They're like they're stuck in the, like they can't get out of the current. That's why he's got to stay on the throttle, because the water's rushing out so fast. Yeah. Somebody hit the bridge down there. See. So they're patching it up. So you guys, over there is the swimming pool kind of area for the state park. You can go there with your family, and it's real shallow, and it's really clear also. Got the pelicans hanging out again. Pelican, pelican fly, pelican. That is the north pier. This is the south pier, so you can fish on both ends of the pier. A lot of people go over there because it's deeper, it's further out, and you don't have to worry about these waves over here. Sandbar is over there, at the end of where those boats are at. But yeah, this whole area is part of the state park. There's an island over there that you can hang out at also. The current is definitely moving. Any luck?
Oh, I missed one big sheep that earlier.
Oh, really? Man. Well, good luck, man. I hope you catch it. I tell you, this is the best fishing area that you can ever come to out here. Is over here in Sebastian. Besides the treasure that you can find in the beaches, there's just a lot of cool things to do out here. A lot of cool things. So as I was saying to you guys earlier about Red Rock actually sits below this, and if you dive down you can't touch it. You can see it's real distinct. It's all red. So you can tell what the red coil listen to me, coil. Dude, I could just stop on my head. Coral, the red coral. You can't touch it because it'll literally eat your hand up, your skin. Real quick before we go any further into the video, guys, I would like to introduce to you today's sponsor, Ridge Wallet. As long as I've been buying wallets through my life, I've always hated them because either they get bulky or they end up tearing up, or they just, when you put them in your back pocket, they just end up hurting your butt. So guys, this wallet is literally so small and compact. It fits up to 12 cards, and it also has a band in the back for your money. Now it also comes with a clip that you can attach to it, so you can have either a cash strap or money clip, either one. But it's made, this one here is made out of an aluminum, and I can take it on the water, on the jet skis, and I don't have to worry about salt water corroding it or anything like that. And it's super small. Guys, if you are interested in purchasing one of these, go to their website, ridge.com. And guys, when you purchase one, make sure that you enter the code JUNESQUAD to get a discount. Guys, this thing is awesome. I love it. I love it. And thank you to Ridge for sponsoring this video. Make sure you follow the channel so you can learn how to win a Ridge wallet from your boy. So make sure you stick around for details. They will be coming out soon. And I hope that you are a lucky winner because these Ridge wallets are awesome. A lot of things to do here, from renting boats, eating, dancing, listening to good music. You can island hop, explore the area. And I apologize if the wind is blowing into the camera or into the mic. It is a little windy right now, but I got a special treat for you guys. So you see this boat right here in front of me, guys. So the East Coast, Sebastian, you know, the whole, from the Space Coast, actually I think it's from Melbourne, no, it's from the Space Coast all the way down to probably somewhere Fort Pierce or something. But we're known as the Treasure Coast because of, you know, a bunch of explorers went out and found the treasures that from the pirate ships that crashed, you know, in the water, and you know, and there was a bunch of missing Spanish fleets and everything. So actually this boat right here is part of the Mel Fisher crew that went and discovered a lot of the treasures that they have. As you can see, the blowers in the back, and yeah, this thing here has found a lot of treasure, guys. a lot of treasure. I actually will go, the Mel Fisher Museum is actually here in Sebastian, and we'll go ahead and go out there and check that out. You hear all the birds in the background, and it's just so beautiful out here. So nice. Arr, arr. Arr, arr. Arr, arr. But yeah, this is the, one of the piers from the Capt Hirams boat dock that they have here. So if you have a boat or jet ski, you can pull up to the dock. If you have a boat, you would dock up here on one of the docks. If you have a jet ski, you would just pull up to the beach area and hang out over there. Beautiful, beautiful area. I love this area. I've been coming out here for 12 years, 13 years, probably a little longer than that, but it's just a beautiful area. I love coming to Capt Hirams. It's so much fun. You know, like I said, they have bands here, they play good music, and you just love it. You tend to love it, you know. Check out the ducks. Actually, not ducks, I don't know what they are. They're flamingo, not flamingos. You see, I don't know my birds. Pelicans. Pelicans. Check out the pelicans. They're all over here chilling. Hey, pelicans. This is an eco tour. They'll show you the whole area and explain to you the history of Sebastian and the Indian Lagoon, which is an awesome tour. I've done it. How you doing? It's an awesome tour, awesome tour. You get to explore the area. They'll take you to all the different areas. They take you to Sebastian Inlet. They teach you about the corals that are out there. Red coral. There we go again. Coral. It's a red coral that you can't touch, or it'll end up burning you. These guys are just chilling. They're hanging out. What's up, buddies? I wonder if I flip it upside down, will it flip naturally? Yeah, it does. I'm trying to get a close-up of it, but it won't. Look at these guys flying in. What are you guys doing? Yeah. Cool. But like I said, they also have charters here. As you can see, the Big Easy is another fishing charter. As you can see, they catch a lot of good fish here. And then they come and they bring the fish, and they pull it up on the board over there, and they fillet everything here, clean them. It's pretty cool. Another fishing charter. So that's where they will put up the fishes. It's right there. They hook them on the nails, and then they'll clean them all right here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice, beautiful beach area. Tide looks like it's down though. So let's go back this way.
Very welcome, guys. That's gonna be right out.
And peoples, that is Capt Hirams Sandbar. That's where they sell t-shirts and stuff. They even rent bicycles, so you can take a bike on a little cruise. But this whole area has restaurants along this whole street, and you can literally walk back and forth. They have like a few restaurants on that way. There's a boat ramp that way. Actually, Squid Lips is over that way. So there's another restaurant over there. But you can just come out here, hang out, walk back and forth. And Capt Hirams Hotel is actually right there. Yeah, nice little spot to come and vacation at, man. Get a room, and then you can actually hang out on this whole river